السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم. أرحب بكم في فصل اللغة العربية. Inshallah, in this class we are going to learn Tamreen Asani, second exercise. Let's start. Man anta? Who are you? Ana Muslimun. I am a Muslim. Hal anta tayyib? Are you good? Naam ana tayyib. Yes, I am good. Ayyu shughlin khairun indak? Which work is best near you? Zikrullahi khairun indi. The mentioning of Allah is best near me. Ayyu shughlin khairun ba'dahu? Which work is best after it? Ba'dahu al-qira'atu wal-kitabatu. After it, reading and writing. Halil qalamu zaruriyun lil-kitabati? Is the pen compulsory for writing? Naam. Al-qalamu zaruriyun lil-kitabati. Yes, the pen is compulsory for writing. Alaka hadiqatun? Do you have a garden? Naam li hadiqatun. Yes, I have a garden. Ma fil hadiqati? What is in the garden? Fil hadiqati kathirum min ash-shajari wal-zahri wal-fakihati. In the garden, much trees, more trees, flowers and fruits. Wa min al-fakihati rummanun wa tinun wa inabun wa tuffahun wa burtuqalun wa mawzun. And from the fruits there are pomegranate, fig, grapes, apple, orange and banana. Ar-rumanu wal-burtuqalu wat-tuffahu mufidun fi fasli sayf. The pomegranate and the orange and apple are useful in summer season. وفي فصل الشتاء التين والعنب مفيد. And in the winter season, fig and grapes are useful. وهذا من فضل الله وقدرته. And this is from grace of Allah and His power. وفضل الله عظيم. And the grace of Allah is great. أفي كل شيء قدرة الله? Is in everything there is a power of Allah? Naam fi kulli shay'in qudratuhu. Yes, in everything there is His power. Thank you very much. If you want to translate any conjugation, if you have any inquiry, please comment it.